The contents of this video are for informational purposes only. Please consult the manufacturer's guidelines and use and care instructions before beginning.
Hi, I'm Pat Clark with Lifting Gear Hire Corporation. We're going to be discussing one of the most widely used material hoists on the market today, the Roustabout. We often get questions regarding our Roustabout machines, pertaining to the safety guidelines as well as the assembly. Today we're going to offer you a detailed demonstration and hope it answers your questions. For openers, we'd like to find a stable, solid level surface for which to put our base on. We're also going to lock each one of these casters in place. Regarding the installation of the mast into the base, we want to ensure that the winch portion is situated over the short legs of the base. Next, we want to install the mast into the base. We'll guide this into position. As we're doing so, notice there's a locking pin. Right now it's not engaged. Once inside the base, give it a little shake just to make sure it's in there properly, and then lock it down. Every day before use, you want to thoroughly inspect each of the wire ropes for any possible damage. You also want to make sure that the winch itself is spooling properly, both paying in and paying out. If you're using a Roustabout that has the ability to achieve a height of 25 feet, you're going to have to install Guylines. Everything you need to do so is located in this handy tote box below the base. Inside you'll find 2 pieces of wire rope and 2 lengths of 1/4-inch chain. Now to install them. On either side of the horizontal mast, you'll find some lugs. This is where we're going to fix the guy line. There are quick connect clamps that we're going to screw and fasten tightly. After completing this process on one side, we want to repeat it on the other. Anytime you're using this Roustabout above 20 feet, you have to have the guy lines attached. Otherwise, you risk damaging the vertical post or even the horizontal mast. In addition to that, there are shear pins affixed to this pulley block. They're a safety feature and designed to fail if you overload the hoist. Located on the mast are handles that control the winch assembly. Now we're going to establish a connection to the rear base plate using our rapid link that is connected to our 1/4-inch chain. We'll connect this to the rapid link of the wire rope that we've already installed to our mast. And repeat the process on the lug of the opposing leg. Once this connection is complete, we'll elevate our mast to a desired height. If there's any further adjustment, we have a turnbuckle here that we can do that. First, release the hook. Next, we're going to elevate the mast to 10 to 12 inches below our desired height.
Please note the 20-foot level is indicated by the red painted portion on the vertical mast.
I also want to remind you of a few safety guidelines. This hoist is intended for vertical lifting only. You should never two-block the hoist as well. When raising or lowering loads above 500 pounds, never do so solely with the mast itself. It's important to test the balance of load before beginning lifting. And lastly, if you have to move a load, set the load on the base frame and move in a forward direction when possible. We hope that you've enjoyed this video and found it helpful. For more information about this product and others, please give us a call. As a reminder, the contents of this video were for informational purposes only. Please consult the manufacturer's guidelines and use and care instructions before beginning.